Let's show you how to move money globally with OFX. Log into your OFX account with your username and password and click New Transfer to get started. You've got a few options here. You can lock in today's rate for a future payment or set a target rate to transfer at. But let's keep things simple and make a transfer at the current rate. Select the currency you want to transfer and the currency you're sending to and enter an amount. You can either enter the amount you're sending and we'll calculate what your recipient will receive, or you can enter the amount that needs to be received and we'll tell you what to send. The calculation uses your customer rate and includes our fee. If the person you're paying is already in your recipient list, you can select them here or create a new recipient. Add a transfer reason, pop in a reference and hit Continue. Next, select how you want to send OFX your funds. The easiest option is direct debit. Just follow some simple steps to link your bank and verify your credentials. There is an upper transfer limit of $25,000 for your first direct debit, but after that you can use this payment method for all transfers under $50,000. As we're sending $60,000 today, let's select Wire and hit Continue to review the transfer and recipient details. If you spot a mistake, you can go back and edit, or if everything looks correct, press Confirm to lock in your transfer. Make sure you double check, as once you confirm the transfer is legally binding and you will be required to send your funds. To send us a wire transfer, simply log into your online banking or visit a branch to make your payment. Be sure to follow the instructions in your OFX payment confirmation carefully and don't forget to include your reference. Transfers generally take 24 hours once we've received your funds, and you can track progress at any time by clicking Transfers from your home screen. Click to open your transfer summary from here. For help with this or anything else, contact an OFXpert day or night 24/7.